दिक्कत की। Being a dental surgeon, you should know the basic management of the fracture mandible. Okay, I know some of you have like the postgraduate qualification. हमने उस registration में आप लोगों को देखा है. How many of you have PG qualification in this? कोई है PG? नहीं, हमारे यहाँ वाले नहीं हमारे. Okay. For which branch? Lokesh K endodontist? Orthodontist. Okay. So, like suppose once you plan to go for the management of fracture mandible in your private clinic, okay? So you should know the basic thing about the history of the management. The management options available, as Dr. Tabish already presented, the management options. So you have to understand 3 R only. What are the 3 R's? It is already written there. The reduction of the fracture, retention, and then rehabilitation. What do you mean by reduction? What do you mean by reduction? Yes, is our students actually know what is reduction? क्या होता है reduction? आप लोग बताइए. जो fracture हो गया है ना? जो fracture हो गया है उसको normal anatomical position. It's bringing back the fracture fragment into their normal anatomical position. ठीक है? So how do you know your fracture is properly reduced? ये कैसे आप लोग बताएंगे? क्योंकि ये भी बहुत जरूरी है कि हमने सही किया या नहीं किया. You don't have C-arm in your clinic. आपके पास कोई specialized mechanism नहीं है देखने के लिए, तो कैसे पता करेंगे? Occlusion is the only criteria. ठीक है, हम सब लोग जानते हैं occlusion क्या होता है. So the occlusion is the only criteria to decide whether your fracture is properly reduced or not. It means आपने occlusion देख लिया सही है, it means आप ready हैं. अब आपके पास retention का option, चूंकि you are not a surgeon, so you don't have the retention option. Okay, retention means fixation. Fixation, retention क्या है? आप fix करेंगे fracture को in different means, like बहुत सारे plating system है, अभी सब discuss हो चुका है, and then you have to rehabilitate. देखिए 1 by 1 आ रहा है. Anatomical reduction, stable fixation, and rehabilitation means bringing back the patient, you know,
normal
early,
function,
active and pain-free life. Okay, patient को जल्दी से हमें भेजना है कि आप जाओ, जॉब करो, ऑफिस जाओ, कॉलेज जाओ, सब जगह जहाँ जाना है, they can move. And you have, in the meantime, you have to maintain the vascular supply of the fracture area as well, so that there should be a normal healing. ठीक है? Already discussed. Okay? अब reduction word में जो आता है, reduction कितने तरह के होंगे? 2 types of reduction: open reduction and closed reduction. I think everybody know what is open, what is closed. For dental surgeon, it is better to stick on the closed reduction. Okay, open reduction आप सीख सकते हैं, but अगर हम जैसे basic बताएंगे तो you should understand what is closed reduction. So you have to be very careful while doing the closed reduction. अब आप देखते हैं कि कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि आपके पास पेशेंट क्लिनिक में आ गया and there is some fracture, tooth fracture root. So if the tooth are present in the fracture line, so what are the criteria or when we have to remove it? क्या हम करेंगे? Indication for removal, कब हम निकालेंगे? दांत निकालना जरूरी नहीं है, लेकिन कब निकाल सकते हैं closed reduction में? If it is longitudinal fracture, आपका tooth longitudinal fracture है. If it is dislocation of the tooth from its socket, बाहर आ चुका है, निकाल लो. Perioapical infection, fracture के साथ perioapical infection, you can remove it. Infected fracture line, it's better to remove the tooth. And then, if it is acute pericarditis, it's better to remove it. देखिए, ये फोटोग्राफ हमने लगाया हुआ है. इसमें कि vertical fracture है, निकालना है IVF से पहले. ठीक है? This is all about for close reduction only. Now, after the wiring, what we have to do is intermaxillary fixation. It is intermaxillary fixation. क्या खास बात है intermaxillary fixation में? ये intermaxillary fixation में interfragmental micromotion होगा. There should be a micromotion between the fragments, even after the management, during the management, and because of the muscular pull, the pattern of the healing is changed. Here the healing is किस तरह की होंगी? Secondary healing.
Secondary
All
healing.
intermaxillary fixation comes under
Secondary healing.
Primary healing किसमें हो सकती है? प्लेटिंग में हो सकती है और एक स्पेशलाइज्ड प्लेटिंग होगी तो. बट आप लोगों के लिए क्या? Secondary healing. It means you have to wait for certain period of time for intermaxillary fixation. What is the standard time period for intermaxillary fixation? Days चलेगा, weeks में बता.
6 weeks, 4 to 6
4 to 6
weeks
weeks.
is the ideal and the standard time period. लेकिन किस सिचुएशन में कितने दिन तक हम IVF करेंगे हम आपको बताते हैं. So the options available for the closed reduction, you can, as Dr. Tabish already discussed, you can go for direct wiring, eyelet wiring, Williams modification, button wiring, regional wiring. Okay? Arch bar, जो अभी आपने टेबल पे रखा हुआ, but there are the so many types of arch bar available in the scientific literature, not in the market. Market में क्या है? Irish arch bar. But in the scientific literature, you go for the Zelenko Crufts pattern, the German silver because of the material used for the making of the arch bar, and the custom made. Even by custom made क्या होता है? आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए. Undergraduate level पे custom made क्या होता है? पेशेंट आ गया, इम्प्रेशन लिया, लैब वाले को दिया, जल्दी से आर्च बार बना के लाओ. इट्स अ कस्टम मेड आर्च बार. क्या फायदा है? प्रॉपर्ली एडाप्टेड होगा, है ना, एक ही बार में एडाप्टेड होगा. ठीक. व्हाट इज दिस? आर्च बार. आई विल टेक 2 more minutes. व्हाट इज दिस? एज डॉक्टर Tabish already discussed,
Gilmas wiring.
Gilmas direct wiring.